Okay, this term is very familiar to you. Data structures, right? And this is a very, very important subject in the field of computer science. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स. डेटा मतलब आपको पता है डेटा क्या होता है, राइट?
Information.
Yeah, and the
Yes.
way you structure the data is data structures. देखो, I will start with an example. आप लोगों के पास बहुत सारा बुक्स है, राइट? कंप्यूटर साइंस का बुक है, फिजिक्स का बुक्स है. अज्यूम दैट यू आर इन स्टिल 12th, राइट? बहुत सारा बुक्स रहता है. ट्यूशन का बुक्स रहता है, कॉलेज का बुक रहता है, प्रैक्टिकल का बुक रहता है, सारा सब्जेक्ट फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स, कंप्यूटर साइंस, एंड देन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का बुक्स रहता है, राइट? यू हैव अ कबोर्ड टू कीप ऑल दिस. कबोर्ड है आपके पास ये सारा बुक्स रखने को. हाउ विल यू कीप द बुक्स? आप लोग कैसे रखते हैं?
Arrange.
सारा बुक्स है. assume that all are books only, no files. सभी बुक्स है, आपको कबोर्ड्स में रखना है. सारा बुक्स है आपके पास, सारा सब्जेक्ट्स का, सारा कॉलेज का और प्रैक्टिकल का और एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का, बहुत सारा बुक्स है आपके पास. आप लोग कैसे रखते हैं?
ब्लॉक बना के.
हाँ, यू आर गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज इट, राइट?
स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म.
यस, स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म मतलब क्या है? आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द C स्ट्रक्चर और C++ स्ट्रक्चर हियर. इंग्लिश का मीनिंग मतलब आप लोग अरेंज करने वाला है ना बुक्स को. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज मेरे पास है फिजिक्स है, केमिस्ट्री है, मैथ्स है, बायोलॉजी है, 4 सब्जेक्ट्स का बुक्स अवेलेबल है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल कीप ऑल फिजिक्स बुक इन वन place, next chemistry book, next maths book, and then biology books. In physics book also, all college books one side, and then all tuition books one side, all entrance exam ka material one side. Like this you will keep, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do we do this? हमको easy होता है ना access करने को.
Yes.
Otherwise, suppose I keep, simply if I keep all the books in one place, how will you search? It will take a lot of time for you to locate a particular book.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So if I organize things properly, so that accessing will be very, very easy for me. This is an example I gave you what actually you mean by data structure. So you are going to organize in such a way, the data is going to be organized in such a way that your accessing is also taken into consideration whenever you are going to arrange the data. देखो, अभी देखो, कबोर्ड में रखना है, 3-4 है, रोज है, फर्स्ट रो है, सेकंड रो है, थर्ड रो है, फोर्थ रो है. नीचे का रो और ऊपर का रो बॉयज लोग को चलता है, बॉयज लोग टॉल रहता है, गर्ल्स लोग थोड़ा शॉर्ट रहता है. उनको ऊपर का नहीं जमता है ना, बहुत ऊपर रहता है, तो उधर क्या रखते हैं आप लोग? ज्यादा यूज नहीं होता है वो उधर रहता है. ज्यादा यूज करने वाला बुक रहता है मिडिल रो में रख सकते हैं, आपको इजीली एक्सेसिबल है. और ज्यादा यूज नहीं होता है तो वो नीचे भी रख सकता है, बेंड करके लेना बहुत मुश्किल है. इसलिए मिडिल रो में whatever you want to access very frequently, that you keep it in the middle row. Right? Follow this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how we arrange the books even at home. Do you follow this at home also?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that very fast, very quickly, you can go and pick up your books, right? Not
Yes,
only
yes,
books,
ma'am.
clothes. Hannah, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Even your clothes also, you will organize in a best way so that it will be easy for you to access the things. Party का dress अलग है, अभी तो party भूल ही करना पड़ता है, right? So all wedding dresses one side, college dress one side, like this, है ना? सभी लोग ऐसे करते हैं. So that is easily accessible. That is nothing but your data structure. Okay. So what actually is a data structure? Now we will come back to our computer terminology. What is a data structure? It is a way of organizing. The way we keep is nothing but organization, no?
Yes.
All data items that considers not only the element stores, but also the relationship to each other. Right? Dekho, suppose I keep one book. Right? Whenever I keep one book, whenever I want that book, I want something else along with that. Practical record रखना है. Practical record के साथ मुझे graph भी चाहिए. So whenever I am keeping this practical book, I should also consider where I am keeping the graph book. So that for every, suppose, example only, whenever you are writing a practical record, you also need a graph paper every time. So there is relationship between practical record and your graph book, right? So I should keep, whenever I am keeping the practical record, I should also know where I have kept my graph book. This relation also I should consider, not only the data element, but also the element stored, but also the relationship to each other. That means data structure is a way of organizing all data items that considers not only the elements stored, but also the relationship to each other. It's nothing but a way of organizing the data, okay, considering the relationship between the elements. So program means algorithm plus data structure. Algorithm is what? What is an algorithm? We have studied at length in first year. Algorithm क्या होता है? Unmute yourself.
Steps.
This form of steps.
Set of instructions to do a particular task is what is called as a, who is Amisha Savarkar? Salvarkar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no, not Amisha Savarkar. Who is this?
मैम मैं तो फर्स्ट सेम से हूँ.
नहीं नहीं, I am seeing a different photograph here. This नीचे का कोई outside
ma'am.
है क्या? नहीं. Somebody else's photo I saw, that's why.
Yes.
Is anybody else sitting in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Who? Any outsider sitting in the class?
No.
इसका फोटो अलग है इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा
Which one, ma'am?
नीचे का नाम नहीं पता इनका नाम किसका नीचे का
No, ma'am. Everyone is our class, ma'am.
सम सूट मीट है कौन है वो Wait. अरे क्यों फिर से ज्वाइन मीटिंग आ गया Anushka? Anushka Gudusundare? Can you hear my voice? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Ma'am, all out.
क्या हो रहा है कुछ हो रहा है क्या Please move the window
नहीं,
away from the shared.
नहीं जा रहा है.
क्या आ रहा है
Have it showing black screen.
You're seeing black screen, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's gone.
Now it's gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, just wait. Now?
It's clear, ma'am.
Clear, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Here we go.
Wait. Now?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Very good. So data structure affects the design of both structural and functional aspects of the program. Whenever you want to design a program, no, data structure plays a very important role. We have studied so many data structures already, right?
Yes.
Most important thing is array.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a data structure.
Yes.
So data structure plus algorithm will form a program. Algorithm is, we know very well, it is a set of instruction. Whenever we execute that particular set of instructions, okay, you get some output. So program is nothing but algorithm plus data structure. So selecting an appropriate data structure is very important for the program. Basically, there are two types of data structure, primitive data structure and non-primitive.
Non-primitive data.
Do you know primitive data structure?
Yes.
What is it?
Ma'am, for example, linear, ma'am, or array.
No, primitive.
Primitive.
Primitive is integer, float. It is built into the system, right?
Oh.
We
fine.
don't have any hold on this integer type, character type, float data type, double data type. These are all data types, right?
Yes.
They're also called as primitive data structures. Dekho, data structure is divided into two types, that is
Right.
primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. These are all built into the language. Integer hoga, float hoga, character hoga, pointer hoga. All these are built into the program, means built into the language. So integer means whenever you want to define a variable as an integer, you will have a range is also defined, minus 33,000 and odd to plus 33 something. And similarly,
Yes.
float variable has its own range. Character
Yes.
variable has its own range. And even the number of bits occupied by integer is definite. That is number of bits or bytes. Float also, number of bytes is all fixed. So such a data structure is what is called as primitive data.
Primitive data structure.
Okay.
Yes.
The next one will be non-primitive data structure. This non-primitive data structure is of two types, linear and non-linear. Linear में क्या होता है? There will be some kind of a relation. I told you, no, say for example, I am storing the student details. Practical को हमको student details store करना है, practical exam को. मैं कैसे store करती हूँ? Roll number wise है ना? Roll number
Yes.
1, roll number 2, roll number 3, right?
Yes.
I have some linear relationship. Such a data structure is what is called as linear data structure. And the second type of data structure is non-linear.
Non-linear.
आपको पता है क्या non-linear क्या होता है?
जो कि मैम सिस्टमैटिकली नहीं अरेंज किया होता है.
देखो, अभी हमारा कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपल मैम है, राइट? प्रिंसिपल मैम के अंडर so many HODs will come. HODs के अंडर so many teachers will come. Under teachers so many students will come.
Yes.
We have something called as a hierarchy, right? It's a hierarchical relation. Someone will be at the top, right?
Yes.
When you can consider your own
Yes, ma'am.
family. Your grandparents are there at the top. Your grandparents, next generation is your parents. Then next is you people. है ना?
Complicated data
No,
structure.
it's a hierarchical relationship. There is no linear relationship. Whereas when I told you about the examination, arranging the students in an examination, what I said, first roll number, then next second roll number, third roll number, fourth roll number, fifth roll number. There is a linear relationship, one after the other, right?
Yes.
That is linear relation. This is non-linear relationship. Whatever I gave you about your parents or the college hierarchy, that's non-linear. This is linear. So these are the main two types of data structure. That is linear data structure and non-linear
Non-linear.
data structure. समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये linear data structure है ना, इसके अंदर मेरे पास 4 data structures हैं. array है, linked list है, stack है, queue है. और non-linear के अंदर I have graph and tree. This is a very interesting subject, data structure. So understand very well. So linear में अभी हमारा ये semester में, third semester में आपको ये सब data structures detail में करना है. That is array, linked list, stack, queue, graph and tree. So अभी मैं बताता हूँ array क्या होता है, linked list and stack and queue. Array आपको पता है?
Yes.
What is an array?
Yes, ma'am.
Set of homogeneous collection.
Set of मीन्स
Homogeneous element.
क्या होता है?
Yes, ma'am. What?
होमोजेनियस का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
Similar, ma'am.
सेम टाइप. वेरी गुड. हु इज दिस हु इज स्पीकिंग? मे आई नो योर नेम?
Saurabh Jha.
सौरभ झा. वेरी गुड.
Thanks, ma'am.
सो अर्रे में क्या होता है? अभी देखो, एग्जाम में बैठना है आपको, ठीक है? रोल नंबर 1, रोल नंबर 2, रोल नंबर 3. दैट मीन्स से रोल नंबर 1 इज सौरभ झा, रोल नंबर 2 इज यशमानकर. विशाल है क्या?
No, ma'am. He's absent.
वाई?
Don't know, ma'am. He's
Vishal
not
Mohammed.
attending any lectures.
हाँ?
He's not attending any lecture, ma'am.
वाई?
Reason I don't know, ma'am.
हम्म?
Reason नहीं पता, ma'am.
रीजन नहीं पता. ठीक है. देखो, मैं अभी अर्रे के बाद में बताती हूँ. सौरभ झा है और यश मानकर है, विशाल है और मानसी है और क्या नाम है? हर्षिता. हर्षिता है क्या आपके पास, आपके कॉलेज क्लास में?
नहीं पता नहीं.
5 स्टूडेंट्स है. 5 स्टूडेंट्स है. रोल नंबर है 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. किसका नंबर पहला है? सौरभ झा. नेक्स्ट यशमानकर, विशाल मोहन और मानसी और हर्षिता. 5 लोग हैं. सो आई नो दे आर. हाउ इज यशमानकर एंड सौरभ झा रिलेटेड? दैट मीन्स आजू बाजू में रहता है ना उन लोगों. रोल
Yes.
नंबर 1 एंड रोल नंबर 2,
Yes, ma'am.
right? But I'm just telling you on the paper. Physically, they may not be adjacent, right?
Yeah.
2 situations आप सोचो. एक में क्या होता है? रोल नंबर के बाजू में रोल नंबर 2 है. That means सौरभ झा first, next is यशमानकर. Sitting arrangement. Physically also they are adjacent, right? That is an array. Elements in the array are occupying the contiguous memory locations. Contiguous means one after the other. How they sit? Roll number 1, next is roll number 2, roll number 3, then roll number 4, roll number 5, roll number 6. Physically also they are adjacent,
Yes.
right? That is a array. Okay.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट इज लिंक लिस्ट. लिंक लिस्ट में क्या होता है? सौरभ झा
हाँ,
हमारा
yes,
क्लास
ma'am.
में पहले बेंच में पहले लड़का है क्योंकि रोल नंबर 1 है. ओके.
Yes.
इफ आई गो टू सौरभ झा, he will tell me where the next person, that is Yashmankar, he may be sitting in some other class, he may be sitting in computer room. That is also possible. Not with array. Array में physically elements are adjacent. Linked list में क्या है? I'll go to Saurabh Jha. He will give me the address of the next person. यशमानकर किधर है वो सौरभ झा को पता रहता है. He will tell me Yashmankar is in computer lab. Okay. Then I have to get sign from Yashmankar. I'll go to Yashmankar. He will tell me where Vishal is. He will tell he is sitting in the physics room. They are not physically adjacent. Are they physically adjacent, all these people?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
But still there is a relationship of adjacency, right?
Yes.
That is linked list.
Linked list.
I'm just giving you in a nutshell. That's all. This is linked list.
Knowing other addresses.
Yeah, knowing. I will explain everything in detail. This is just a introduction, no? So I'm just telling you one by one. Next is stack. आप लोग पार्टी में जाते हैं ना, वेडिंग में जाते हैं, right? You go to have your food. When you
Yes.
go to the table, how do you find the plates? Plates कैसे रखते हैं उधर?
1 above 1.
वह एक के ऊपर एक रहता है ना?
Yes.
That is nothing but a stack.
Okay, ma'am.
That's another data structure. That is a stack. Next one is queue.
Q.
क्यों आपको समझ में आता है? आप लोग फिल्म देखने जाते हैं, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
If you want to buy the ticket, how will you go?
What?
You will go in a queue, right?
Yes.
When you go in a queue, suppose 4 or 5, already there are 10 people in the queue. You will be the 11th person, right?
Yes.
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 Who will be serviced first? One who is in the front, right? That is a queue. समझ में आ गया? All
Yes.
these four are different types of linear data structure. Next is non-linear data structure. This non-linear data structure, I have already told you, the relationship will be in a hierarchical way. You can take the example of a college, or you can take the example of your parents and grandparents and their parents, right? They form a non-linear type. They are not something related to this. You can't find the relationship in this way. Next is graph. ग्राफ कैसे है? देखो, ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन प्रॉब्लम आप लोग वर्क किया क्या मैथ्स में?
Yes.
Yes.
यस नो?
Yes.
ये उधर कैसे होता है? आई वॉन्ट टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम सिटी ए टू सिटी डी, ए टू बी, बी टू सी, सी टू डी. There is no linear relationship here. There is no hierarchical relationship here. It's non-linear. That is a graph. Suppose I have four. देखो यही ऐसे सोचो. I want to start from linear to non-primitive, non-linear. ऐसे कुछ तो traverse करना है. Then it becomes a graph. Okay.
Yes.
So what is a primitive data structure? Basic structures and directly operated upon by the machine instructions. Integer, float, character, all these are primitive data structure. That means they are directly built into the language and they are operated by the machine instructions. We cannot change any instructions there. There are different representations on different computers. Different computers में थोड़ा difference हो सकता है. Integer, floating point number, character constant, string counters, all fall in this category. Non-primitive data structures are more sophisticated data structures and they are derived from primitive data structures, right? You can collect many primitive data structures and make a complicated data structure. We know about array, right? If I have to declare an array, I should declare its type, right? Int
Yes.
A of 5. That int is a primitive data structure. Many primitive
Yes.
data structures are taken and then they are formed into a array. The non-primitive data structure emphasize on structuring of a group of homogeneous or heterogeneous type of data type items. Okay.
Yes.
Linked list, queue, tree are all example of non-primitive data
Non-primitive.
structure. Efficient data structure must consider operations to be performed on the data structure. Whenever you want to design a data structure, you should know what type of operations you are going to perform on them.